Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Easy Math. Today we are going to learn an easy way to remember trigonometric definitions, relations and identities using a super hexagon. Now this is how a super hexagon looks like. Now let's understand how to make this. For this we will be taking a hexagon and drawing its opposite diagonals, and we need to fix the position of 6 trigonometric ratios. Now this is the hexagon and we make the opposite diagonals. Now the first rule is 1 is written at the center of the hexagon. Always move in a clockwise direction. Now this is our starting position. We write tan theta here and use the relation tan equals to sine by cos. So move in a clockwise direction. Now cot is written opposite to tan. And also remember, all the trigonometric ratios starting with the letter C are placed on the right side of this vertical line. So cosec will come on the right side and sec will come on the left side. Our super hexagon is ready. Now let's learn the trigonometric definitions with the help of this. First we are going to learn about the reciprocal relations. The ratios which are placed diagonally opposite to each other, they are reciprocals of each other. So we get tan and cot. Then we have sine and cosec, reciprocals of each other, and cos and sec are reciprocals of each other. Now you are going to see the complementary relation. For this we have to see the two trigonometric ratios placed horizontally. So sine and cos, tan and cot, sec and cosec. They are all in the same horizontal line, so hence they have complementary relations. Next we consider three triangles and learn the trigonometric identities with the help of this. For this we follow a rule that sum of squares of the top two gives the square of the bottom term. So sine square plus cos square will be equal to 1. Next we have tan square plus 1, which is equal to sec square theta. Same way 1 square plus cot square will be equal to cosec square theta. Now let's understand other relations which are possible with the help of this hexagon. For that we move in a clockwise direction and take the ratio of two of them. So for example, tan theta will be equal to ratio of sine and cos. Same way sine will be cos upon cot. Cos will be cot upon cosec. What will be cot next? It will be the ratio of cosec to sec. Same way cosec theta is going to be sec theta upon tan theta. And the last one is sec theta, which will be tan upon sine. Now it has an unique feature that even if you move in an anti-clockwise direction, you will get same relation. For example, we start with cosec and move in a clockwise direction. So what do we get? Cosec equal to sec upon tan. Now if you take tan and move in an anti-clockwise direction, we get tan equals to sec upon cosec. Now if you see carefully these two, they represent one and the same relation. So we can say that clockwise or anti-clockwise both can give us the relation between trigonometric ratios. So now let's quickly revise all the relations. First is the reciprocal. The diagonally opposite are reciprocals of each other. Next is the complementary, which are placed on a horizontal line. The third is trigonometric identities. And the fourth one is the relation between three of them using clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. So I hope you have understood the trigonometric relations and definition with the help of this hexagon. With a little practice, you will be able to revise all of them easily and quickly. So what are you waiting for? Start your practice. Please give a thumbs up to my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and keep learning.